Imagine walking down the street, seeing a landmark you've never visited before, and simply asking your glasses, "What is that?" Seconds later, the answer appears in your ears through built-in speakers. No phone, no screen, just you and AI. Well, that future is getting a lot closer because Meta has officially unveiled its brand new AI-powered Meta glasses, starting at just $299. And this might be one of the biggest steps yet toward replacing the smartphone. Meta's latest smart glasses mark a major shift in the company's wearable strategy. Unlike previous models that carried the Ray-Ban or Oakley branding, these new glasses are sold under the Meta name while still being developed alongside eyewear giant EssilorLuxottica. The goal is simple: make smart glasses more affordable, more stylish, and more accessible to everyday users. At $299, they're significantly cheaper than some of Meta's previous premium smart glasses and dramatically less expensive than competing high-end devices entering the market. So what exactly do these glasses do? At first glance, they look like normal eyewear, but hidden inside are cameras, microphones, open-ear speakers, and Meta's latest AI technology. Users can take photos and videos hands-free, make calls, send messages, listen to music, and interact with Meta AI using natural voice commands. Want directions? Ask the glasses. Need a quick translation while traveling? The glasses can help with that too. They can even identify objects and provide information about your surroundings in real time. One of the most interesting aspects of these glasses is Meta's focus on AI-first experiences. The company says the device is powered by Muse Spark, one of the first AI models coming from Meta's superintelligence labs. This means the glasses aren't just accessories. They're designed to become intelligent companions that understand context and assist you throughout the day. But here's where things get really interesting. Mark Zuckerberg believes the future of computing won't be centered around smartphones. Instead, he sees wearable AI devices becoming the next major platform. That's why Meta has spent years investing billions into smart glasses, augmented reality, and AI technologies. These new Meta glasses are another step toward that vision. A world where technology feels more natural, more personal, and less distracting than constantly looking down at a phone screen. Of course, hardware alone isn't enough. People actually need to want to wear these glasses, and Meta seems to understand that. The company has introduced multiple frame styles, color options, and even collaborated with Kylie Jenner on a special edition design. This reflects a growing realization that smart glasses must be fashionable first and technological second. If they don't look good, most people simply won't wear them. Competition is also heating up. Google is working on AI-powered eyewear with partners like Warby Parker. Snap has launched premium smart glasses, and Apple is rumored to be exploring its own wearable future. But right now, Meta appears to have a significant head start. The company already dominates much of the smart glasses market and continues to expand its lineup aggressively. The big question is whether consumers are finally ready for smart glasses to become mainstream. Previous generations of wearable tech often felt expensive, bulky, or limited. But with AI becoming more useful every day and prices becoming more affordable, Meta may have found the perfect moment to push this category into the spotlight. So, are these the beginning of the post-smartphone era, or just another tech experiment? One thing is clear: Meta isn't treating smart glasses as a side project anymore. They're betting that the next computing revolution will happen right in front of our eyes. And if Zuckerberg is right, the device replacing your smartphone might not fit in your pocket at all. It could be sitting on your face. What do you think? Would you wear AI-powered smart glasses every day, or are smartphones still here to stay? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more future tech updates.